Beyond Greece. Not long after the Greek festivals and Olympics were begun, athletes from faraway Greek colonies came to participate. The colonies were made up of groups of people who lived apart from, but kept ties with Greece. Colonies were founded by Greeks in the 700s BC. Many colonies became important trading partners because they grew grains that were much in demand in Greece. Greek ships also traveled south to Egypt's Nile Delta. By 500 BC, Greek city-states ringed the Mediterranean like frogs around a pond, as a teacher named Plato put it. Some of Greece's eastern territories, however, were being taken over by a growing empire that was already vastly larger than Greece. At its height, this empire of Persia, based in what is today Iran, was bigger than any that had yet existed in the world. It included all lands from Egypt and the western edge of the Mediterranean Sea to the Indus Valley. Why it matters. The city-states of ancient Greece had their differences and valued their independence. Many of the Greek cities even had different types of government. One of these cities, Athens, began to develop a new kind of government called democracy. The idea of democracy is important in the United States. Despite their differences, the cities of ancient Greece shared many cultural ties. In 499 BC, a Greek colony on the edge of what is today Turkey wanted to break free from Persian control. People of the colony asked the Greek city-states for help. Athens, Sparta, and other city-states joined together to fight Persia. The war that followed would change Greece forever. Reviewing facts and ideas. Main ideas. Life in most of the Greek city-states revolved around an agora and an acropolis. Spartans spent much of their time working to strengthen their bodies and their army. In Athens, free women and girls worked at home. Boys and men worked, went to school, or took part in government. Think about it. Number 1. What did city-states have in common? What made them different? Number 2. Who was allowed to vote in the developing democracy of Athens? Number 3. Focus. Why was life in Sparta so different from life in Athens? Number 4. Thinking skill. What effects did slavery have on life in Sparta? Number 5. Geography. What made the agora a center for cultural interaction?